In today's video, I'm going to show you how to print your Miro boards quickly and easily. Whether you need a hard copy for meetings, presentations, or personal records, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Miro board you want to print. On the top left corner, you will find a three-dot menu. This is where all your export and sharing options live. Click on it, then head to the board section and select Export. Here you'll get two main choices, Save as PDF or Save as Image. Both options work great, but the right one depends on your goal. If you choose PDF, you'll have the option to adjust quality. For professional results or digital sharing, select Best Quality. It keeps your visuals sharp and clickable links active. If you're after a smaller file for quick sharing, choose the Small File option to save space. If you go with Image, Miro lets you export your board as a JPG or PNG file. This is perfect if you just need a static version for quick printing or presentations. Keep in mind that images may lose a bit of resolution compared to PDFs. Once you've chosen your format, click Export and your file will download instantly. From there, open it and print like any regular document. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to print your Miro boards. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more Miro tutorials to keep your workflow smooth and creative.